So here we have EiKO's LHC1. It's super compact. It is either a linear high bay or low bay. And this is probably the smallest and lightest weight linear fixture that EiKO has had as far as high bay or low bay goes. Coming in at just 4.4 pounds. It's about 14 inches by 11 inches. Now it does ship in the box with V hooks as well as the aircraft cables. If that type of mount isn't going to work for you, you can, through our accessories that are listed on the spec sheet, order the chain, which is these guys right here. It does come also with the V hooks, or you can mount it via a pendant if you choose to. Again, just a separate accessory, or you can also get the surface mount as well. Another accessory that you can also purchase is a wire guard. This is just going to snap onto the fixture, and then you're going to take screws and hold it in place. And again, that's the wire guard. Now, these are compatible with a couple of different emergency battery backup options. You can just go to EiKO.com and check out the spec sheet for those. This is available in power set and also just a fixed CCT, either 4,000 or 5,000 K. To change the wattage, you are just going to flip the fixture over and you will simply flip the switch on the back of the fixture. That's how you're going to change the wattage. These are available in 120 to 277 volts, 0 to 10 volt dimming. Of course, through our fixture modification program, we can add cords and different cord ends. Again, check out the spec sheet for all the different things that we can do through our fixture modification program. Now, because this fixture is controls ready, that means you can easily add controls at any time without the need of an electrician. Of course, we can also do this for you through our fixture modification program. But it's really nice because you can easily do it in the field. So all you're going to do is take a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew this. This turns into a receptacle that is a screw-in design. At that point, you can go ahead and take whether you want a standalone sensor or a network lighting control solution, and you can screw it in. Now, in the US, you do need to use an adapter. This is the SCNA APZWH adapter. It does have a gasket. Make sure you keep that gasket on there. And again, like I said, you can take any type of Z10 standalone or network lighting control solution and attach it to that adapter. And then you are also going to remove the little plastic piece that's protecting the prongs on the back of that adapter. And you will then easily screw it directly in. And now you just converted that fixture to either a standalone sensor solution or a network lighting control solution, depending upon what you added for your control. Now, in the US, you do need the adapter at this time. In Canada, there are sensors, standalone sensors specifically available that can screw directly into that screw-in receptacle. Eventually, we will have that design in the US as well, but not for a little while yet. So that's why you need the adapter for that. The only other thing that I would recommend too is if you are going to add a sensor onto this fixture, if it is a microwave sensor, you are going to want to pendant mount this fixture. There is an option for a thread rod that I do not have with me today, but you can get a thread rod accessory. Just check out the spec sheet for that part number, and that way it'll keep the fixture from swaying at all, and you'll be able to use that microwave sensor. Now, this fixture is great for a lot of different applications, including commercial, industrial, and retail settings. It is available, as I mentioned, in 120 to 277 volts, up to 140 lumens per watt. The power set does feature 4 lumen stops. So you've got 150, 130, 110, and 90 watts. The lumens range from about 12,600 up to about 21,000. And again, the fixed CCT is either 4,000 or 5,000 K. It does come with 6 kV of surge protection. And also it does have a polycarbonate lens. It is power coated white die-cast aluminum kind of this, they call it a molded style, but what's kind of cool about this is that it does have these heat sinks on the back with these fins. So it really does enhance the performance, and it also helps with heat dissipation as well. This fixture can operate from -40 degrees Fahrenheit up to about 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Certifications do include UL listed for US and Canada, FCC, RoHS, damp location, and it is also DLC premium. Now you can learn more about this fixture and all the different specifications by going to EiKO.com or reaching out to one of our many regional managers or one of our local agents too.